Well, hey there, it's John from Big Dreams Travel, and we have got a room tour here for you of a standard 2-queen room at Universal Orlando's Dockside Inn Suites. This is part of the Endless Summer Resort over here on the Dockside portion. And this is, again, a two standard queen beds in this room, and so we will show you around quickly. If you need help planning any part of your Universal Orlando vacation or any other vacation destination, let one of our dream designers know. We will walk you through every step of the process so that you can just have the fun and enjoy the vacation. Make sure you like our video, subscribe to the channel down below, and click that notification bell. And you can always visit us at www.bigdreamstravelusa.com. Alright, so I came in my room here. I'm going to start at the door for you. And as we come in, there is a key card has to be put in. I'm using my key card from when I was at Cabana Bay over the last couple of nights. But there is you will need to put a card of some sort in there. There is a mirror and some hooks. Right here as we come inside the door, a full-length mirror. The closet space is right here on the left as you come in. It's just these curtains hanging here that you can slide out of the way. And in there is the safe, iron and ironing board, and some hangers. So that is the closet space in this room. If I turn to my right, we will see the bathroom. And just one sink here. And the linen's down below there. But just one sink in this unit. And then as we come into the other part of the bathroom, of course, the toilet and shower. I do really like a couple of features of this shower. Number one, it is a sliding shower door, which is much nicer than a curtain. It is curved, so you can have a little extra space in there. And the other feature that's kind of neat about this is all of us who've turned on a shower know you play the game of trying to turn the shower on right where the water falls out. And so they have the shower head on one end, and of course there's their products for here. But the shower head is here on that end, and the handle is on this other end. So you can turn the shower on from the opposite end. Coming out of the bathroom, there's a connecting door in this room, and then you come into the main part of the room. Again, two queen beds here. Some beachy artwork there on the wall. Pillows say sand and sail here at Dockside. Just a small table here in the middle of the room. They do have some built-in outlets. There's 2 outlets, 1 USB, and then one, I can't even remember what they call these now. They go through, it seems like we have new chargers so often. I think maybe micro USB or USB-C or something. But they do have one of those there, which is nice. Some reading lights over the bed. A little chair to sit in the corner. And then, of course, the television area. Coffee. Ice maker. There's a little ottoman down there. And a little bit of drawer storage here. Not a ton of drawers in this room. There is a mini fridge. Over here on this side, there is a little light switch that turns on. Just a small little light here. There is another USB here, as well as a USB-C on that. Of course, Dockside is a taller property, so you can actually go quite high. I'm on the 7th floor, and I'm only about halfway up, so you can actually go up. I don't have a view of any theme parks except SeaWorld way in the distance over there, I believe. But that will do it. Turn around here, I'm backlit, I'm sorry. But that will do it here from a standard room with 2 queen beds here at Dockside Inn Suites. Thanks for watching. Let us know if we can help you plan a vacation. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.